welcome to our video. Today I will be unboxing a baby bag from Target. So, as you can tell, the bags have changed since I last got one when I was pregnant with Bailey. The bag is bigger. Yeah. This one is blue. Yeah. And the ones that they used to give were a little smaller and they were gray. So I'm getting ready to open it up and show you guys what is inside. So first we have Pampers, and these are wipes. I got it, thank you.
Uh-oh. I want a piece. Oh, that's just something.
So we have wipes and a diaper. And you have coupons and goodies in here.
This one's so cute. That looks so cute.
So in this little pack, as you can see, there are 6 wipes. So this is good for just like a little travel size or something to put in your purse or a baby bag. And they give you a diaper. I'm pretty sure this is a newborn size. So that's something that you can put in your baby bag, in your pocketbook, or in your diaper bag when you go to the hospital. And as I said, we have coupons. This is $1.50. This is $2 off for Dreft, but we don't use Dreft. So let's see, another $1 off. So we have coupons, good for wipes and diapers. We have Huggies. So I'll put the bag down here so you guys can see better. But we have Huggies, and these are diapers as well, but there's a couple in here versus with the Pampers. So there's 3 diapers in here for Huggies.
That's for you, Chloe.
Girls, what is this?
A bottle.
A baby bottle.
Bottle.
You don't have to say that, okay? So we have a bottle.
For the baby.
Okay. And yes, it is for babies. This is another bottle, but this one is mom or ma'am. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, really. But M-A-M. I'll open the bag so you guys can see it because this one is kind of different.
That one's so cute.
Yes, the other bottle was Dr. Brown's. This one is mom.
Yours in your teeth.
I've never seen this one, but this one is cute.
I like that one because I said it's cute. Mom, this one is my favorite.
This one is your favorite? Okay, so I'll open this one too.
So I can hold it up?
Yes, you can hold it up.
It has a little baby bear on it.
It does have a little baby bear on it. And this one is a 4-ounce bottle. This one as well is a 4-ounce bottle. But you can unscrew it. Look what's in there.
A passy.
A passy. So there's a pacifier in here as well. So I'll put this back at the bottom. We're not going to touch everything, Chloe, okay? But that's cool. You can screw it from the bottom and from the top. I'll be looking up to see what the name of those actually are and where to get them from. These are Honest diapers, Honest wipes, not diapers. Honest wipes, and in this pack there are 10. So in the Honest wipe pack there are 10 wipes. In the Pampers set there's only 6. I don't usually use Honest, but I know a lot of people do. It's a little bit more expensive for me, but I know that they do have a subscription box service. So for those of you who don't like going out finding diapers, they send them to you And I think you're able to cancel your subscription or like put hold on it until you actually need more. Okay? So this is Palmer's Stretch Mark Lotion that I'll probably start using now.
For the baby. No.
Well, this one is for mommies. This is for mommy's skin because when your belly grows, then you get stretch marks.
Yeah. So that's for you on your tummy?
Yep, you can put it on your tummy.
I see a bump right here.
So let's see. Okay, Audrey. I have Pedialyte. This is cool. This is strawberry lemonade Pedialyte.
For you or the
This is for mommy.
For you?
Yep, because it says it helps replace fluids and electrolytes. It helps relieve dehydration caused by occasional morning sickness, and scientifically designed to work better than water for rehydration.
This is
Okay. All right. So with this Pedialyte pack, you have the steps to sign up for your Similac rewards. So if your child will be on Similac, or you know anybody who has a child that will be on Similac, this is for them. And you guys can sign up by scanning the barcode or go to the website. You get coupons and they send you stuff in the mail, kind of like Infamail. Okay, so that's Pedialyte. We have some mini lotions. This is Aveeno baby lotion.
I like that. So cute.
And we have Baby Bum Coconut Balm. And
So teeny.
I want to say this is probably something like diaper rash cream, just because I don't know, it says Baby Bum on it, but that might be the brand, so excuse me, but it might just be something like Vaseline. No, thank you.
That's for your tummy.
And this is gluten-free, pH balanced, mineral oil free, dermatologist tested.
This is squished.
I was trying to see what exactly this is, but I'm pretty sure it's just some other kind of lotion or moisturizer for the kids.
That's a baby one.
Okay, these are Boogie Wipes,
Boogie wipes?
and you get a coupon right here as well. I've never used the Boogie Wipes, but I know a couple of people who have and said that they are awesome.
You have a lot of wipes.
We'll see if we need to use those.
Boogie wipes for your nose.
We have an Aquaphor tester pack as well. So for all of my Aquaphor fans, this is, you know, just a little something to test or to show you how it works, what it looks like, what it is. No coupon that I can see, but I have some more stuff in my bag, so we'll check back later. Now, this is a little booklet, and if you're familiar with the Target baby bags, the booklet that they had before wasn't like this, but I'm pretty sure that this is something similar. Okay, and so instead of them sending you your coupons, you're going to download the Target app. You're going to scan this barcode once you get your baby bag, and then you just add your Target Circle offers. And so you'll scan this, and then all of your coupons should be added to your Circle app, or they may be added to your registry. So we'll see how that goes. I will add it to mine and see if it goes straight to my registry or if it goes to my Circle app, my Circle account. Now, as Chloe said, there are a lot of wipes that they give you, but I'm pretty sure they just try to give you a good variety of brands so that you can kind of decide what works best for you, what you like best, and for your child. So these are water wipes.
Water wipes?
Yes, water wipes. So it's just wipes with water.
What? What, no soap?
No soap for the sensitive babies with sensitive skin.
They can just wash
And one of my favorite bottles, Advent. This is Advent. This is what I use with all of the girls.
That's what you can make milk.
Yes, you put the formula in here.
That's so cute.
So
Another bottle.
inside, as you can see, there is a bottle.
That's cute.
This is another 4-ounce bottle. Can you wait, please? This is another 4-ounce bottle. These little 4-ounce bottles are so cute. Oh my goodness. And you get a little booklet. Let's see what is inside.
A baby boy.
Let's see.
And that's inside
Are there
of
any
it.
coupons? No coupons, but you might be able to download the app or something and see what comes with it. So it gives you like a list of Advent stuff that you have, as far as milk, the bottles, pacifiers, bottle warmers, all of that right here.
This is so cute.
It is so cute. So
And this very.
that is all of our stuff that we got in our baby registry bag from Target. Once again, this one is a little different than the ones that I've gotten before. And if you've gotten Target baby bags before, then you know that they're a little different as well. This bag is blue, the old one was gray. This one is a little taller, the other one was a little shorter. And I want to say that this one has more stuff in it as well.
This has
So go ahead and put the stuff back in here, girls. We're going to keep it all in here to keep it nice and safe.
baby bottle.
We got baby bottles, we got wipes, we got diapers, we got stretch mark cream, we got Aquaphor cream, we got boogie wipes, we have coupons, and the little booklet that I showed you before breaks down the steps onto how to get those other coupons onto your account. Okay? So Target definitely stepped it up a lot. Before, you could kind of just go in and ask for a baby bag. Some of them would ask for your registry, some of them wouldn't. So for those of you who had the privilege to get multiples before, you will not be able to get multiples anymore because you have to use your registry barcode. So once you get your registry open, you have to wait 14 days. It has to be active for 14 days until you can use any coupons or anything on the app. So after your 14 days, you'll go up to Target, you'll show them the barcode, and once they scan it, they'll give you a bag. And then once you get the bag, once you get inside the bag, you'll have more options for more coupons, and scan another barcode, and those coupons will be applied to either your registry or the app. Chloe, stop please. That's enough. Sit down. Thank you guys for watching. The girls wanted to do the video with me, so here they are. We will see you guys next time. I will be doing another unboxing for a baby bag from Amazon. I am just waiting for it to come in. You guys, leave some comments below for some of your favorite places that have baby bags or some of your favorite registry spots so that I can check them out as well and leave a review.
Bye.
Come back and see us soon. We are the House of Hicks. We love you. See you later.